Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the lab of the material engineering. Uh, Today we will do the experiment on the ductility machine. This is the ductility tester. We will test the ductility of a material that is called bitumen, and this material is very widely used to making the road. So, as we know, the ductility is the property of any material in which we are testing it the uh, tensile properties, that how long a material can go without the break. If we apply any horizontal force on any material, so how long any material will go and without the break. So this is the material that is called bitumen. We this is the special mold. This mold description already in the report, the length and the width, everything. So this mold is made in the last lecture, in which I show you how you make this in the liquefy at high temperature, and then we put some glycerol so that this mold will not stick with the surface, and we make the two samples. So today we will check the ductility of these two samples, that how long these samples can move without breaking. Okay, so this ductility will test in the ductility tester. This is the ductility tester. The machine is this is the manufacturer, Kohler Instrument Company. Okay, so in this machine, as I told you, this is the arrangement where we put our sample. Okay, so this is the sample holder. We will fix our sample here. So I have to open this. This is closed here, so we have to open this. So this is open, and we can take little big bag. Okay, so now this is our sample, and we will put our sample here like this. Okay, so we fix here. We can take this back little more, so little more. Okay, so this sample is fixed at two groups. So this is the sample 1, and sample 2 will put in another part here, the second holder. So we can, so these two samples is kept in the machine, and this machine, this time this is unlock. So it will if it is rotated, this will not go back. So we have to close uh, this machine we have to close. So when we take machine will start, this will go back. Okay, so here is the screen, from where we will operate this machine. As you can see, this is the red blink touch screen to continue. So if you touch this screen, the window will come. In this window, these are the running status and the distance 1 2 3, because we can keep three samples. So there are three different distance. This distance will not come automatic. We have to press set. When any sample will break, we will press set. So the distance you can see here, at this distance, this is the break, and this is the running distance. This is the continuous distance we can see here. The machine will run by many methods. One is the start, then stop, then select method, and timer. So timer is we can fix the at this time the machine should stop, or go to the select method. First we have the two methods, ASTM D113 and T301, and other is custom. We can customize our method. In the custom, you can put only the velocity, how much velocity you want, 25 centimeter per minute. So what is the velocity you want, we can increase and decrease the velocity. Okay, so we will do our work with the ASTM method. We press the ASTM method. So the method is chosen by ASTM. Then after we will start by pressing start. I will start the machine. So now I start the machine. You can see that the machine is start to running, and the distance going to increase. Okay, now we will see our sample here, that you can see the machine is moving and sample is stretching. So we will watch now very carefully that when our sample is break. You can see at the middle there is a necking. The area is going to decrease at the neck of the sample, especially the first sample. The necking is very high and it is about to break. So now this is break, so we put the set. So I press the set, so distance is came 5.32, and we will see now the second sample. This is also going to break around, and this is about to break. So this is also break, we press the second, so this is break. So we can see the distance 1 and distance 2. So this is the length which is break. This length is very small, it must go long. It means this bitumen is not pure. If there is a pure bitumen, this must go to around 70 to 75 centimeter. Then you can use that bitumen for the making the road. Okay, so maybe this means this bitumen is not good for making any road structure. The road will be finished very fast. Okay, so this is our experiment going to finish here. We can see here clearly the machine is running without any sample. The distance is changing, but our distance 1 5.32 and other for the sample 1 and sample 2 6.40. So this is our distance. So here we finished our experiments. Again I told repeat you, these are the bitumen sample. First you have to, this is now the in solid state, you have to melt, you have to hot, so it can be changed in the liquid. Then you can make the sample on the mold, and then mold you can put in the machine for the testing. Here this is the machine, the testing, and the readings are like this. So here we are stopping our experiment. For sample 1 5.32, for sample 2 6.40. These are the reading you have to record in your report. Thank you.